Hi, I'm Ingrid Zip, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we talk about technology, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. In this video, we're going to go over how you can buy Bitcoin, since a lot of people probably want to start buying Bitcoin now. If you don't understand what Bitcoin is, or what the repercussions of cryptocurrency and decentralization are in general, definitely head over to the link somewhere up here, or I'll link it in the description. So to radically simplify the process of buying Bitcoins, the first thing you're going to need is to get a Bitcoin wallet. The second thing that you're going to need is to find your Bitcoin wallet address. And then third, you can buy Bitcoins or send Bitcoins to other people. So what is a Bitcoin wallet? A Bitcoin wallet is the thing that allows you to store your Bitcoins. There are software wallets and hardware wallets. A software wallet is a wallet that is contained by an exchange, and it's going to keep your Bitcoins for you in the software realm. And a hardware wallet is a wallet that is on a physical device, so it's much safer, but if you lose that device or you don't understand how to get access to that physical device in the future, that could be less safe than a software wallet in a respected exchange. So pick whichever one you think will be safer for you. As far as hardware wallets go, the most popular one is the Ledger Nano X. It's a $59 device. I'll put a link in the description for the Ledger Nano X. You can store your Bitcoin on the Ledger Nano X, and so there's no way anybody could ever hack that. It's in a physical location, and you just have to keep the device safe somewhere in your home. Okay, now for the practical information you've been waiting for. To buy Bitcoin, you're going to need to choose between buying from a brokerage and an exchange. So the difference is a brokerage will sell you Bitcoin directly. This is typically for less advanced users, and this kind of defeats the point of decentralization because a brokerage is a central storage, and they're basically giving you some of their Bitcoin and selling it to you with usually a tiny fee. But it's easier, so a lot of people are going to do it that way. An exchange is a trading platform where you can exchange different types of cryptocurrency for one another, and you're typically doing that anonymously through a wallet ID. So this is really for a little bit more advanced of a user. So if you're a less advanced user and you want to buy Bitcoin, what are some reputable brokerages that you could use? Well, one is Gemini and another is Coinbase. Both of these brokerages will sell you Bitcoin directly in exchange for dollars, and both of these brokerages have the key functionality of allowing you to take your Bitcoins and store them offline in a hardware wallet should you choose. If you're a more advanced user and you want to get into trading cryptocurrency or exchanging cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies, what are some reputable exchanges that you could use? Well, two exchanges that are popular are Binance and Kraken. So now, while I am a Robinhood fan because I like the interface, these are some reasons why you shouldn't buy your cryptocurrency using Robinhood. Robinhood actually doesn't give you the flexibility of moving your cryptocurrency around. So you can't really get the cryptocurrency out of Robinhood. Buying cryptocurrency on Robinhood is basically like investing in cryptocurrency as a stock. So if you want to sell your cryptocurrency on an exchange or convert it into dollars or send it to another person, in order to do that from Robinhood, you'd have to sell your cryptocurrency on Robinhood, go buy cryptocurrency in another app, and then send the cryptocurrency from that other app. So you don't really own the cryptocurrency on Robinhood in a meaningful way where you can send it to other people or download it onto a hardware wallet. Okay, so I'm not going to go over the step-by-step process on a brokerage app for how to buy cryptocurrency because I feel like at this point in February 2021, these apps are pretty user-friendly, and I think if you just open Coinbase, you'll get pretty quickly how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. But I do think the process of getting cryptocurrency from a digital exchange or brokerage onto a hardware wallet is kind of elusive. It didn't really make a lot of sense to me until I watched a couple videos on it. So I'm going to delineate that process right now. Okay, so I actually haven't done this myself, but I've watched a few videos on it and I think I understand the process. Let's talk about how to get cryptocurrency off of an exchange platform and onto a hardware wallet. First, you're going to purchase a Ledger Nano X so that you can have a hardware wallet onto which to store your cryptocurrency. Then you're going to download the Ledger mobile app or the desktop app on your computer. Next, you're going to plug in the Ledger device. Then enter a passcode which you will never share with anyone This is how you're going to log into your Ledger device in the future. Then Ledger will actually give you 24 words, which are your special keywords, and they give you a little piece of paper to write down the keywords that you should store with your Ledger so you never lose it, because you need these 24 keywords to get into your Ledger account. So if you lose these, yeah, not good. So then you're going to open the Ledger app, and it's going to give you a QR code which represents your hardware wallet's address. Then, let's say you're using Coinbase. This isn't the only brokerage app that you can use for this step, but it's probably the most commonly used one. So then you're going to scan your Ledger hardware wallet QR code with the Coinbase app in order to tell Coinbase what wallet to send cryptocurrency to. Then you're going to press send on Coinbase and choose the amount that you want to send in order to transfer it to your Ledger. Finally, your Ledger app on either your mobile device or your computer will show an updated amount of cryptocurrency, and hopefully that process shouldn't take more than a couple minutes to transfer all the cryptocurrency from the brokerage account onto your hardware wallet. Finally, if you're putting cryptocurrency onto a hardware wallet, you want to keep a record of all the cryptocurrency you bought and what price you bought it at. It's kind of crazy. It's like a digital asset at this point. It's like owning real estate or something. Like, you bought it for a certain amount, right? And then you're going to sell it, hopefully, for an appreciated amount of money. So you should know what price you bought it at and how much of it you bought. Quick thank you to Ryan Scribner and to Andre Jacqui for these screenshots that I took from their videos, because I actually haven't done this yet. But anyway, this is the concept of how you get cryptocurrency from a brokerage onto your hardware wallet. So I personally am not the biggest on security. I don't really care about stuff like that. But in the cryptocurrency space, there have been some really serious breaches in security because everything is so anonymous. And for example, when you buy stocks in the regular stock exchange market, the federal government actually insures your stocks up to $200,000 or $500,000 or something like that. If your brokerage goes bankrupt suddenly, the government will insure your ownership to a certain amount of money. And that actually is just to protect people, and cryptocurrency, because it's a decentralized, deregulated space, has none of those protections. So there have been some really serious breaches in really reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and brokerages. I think Coinbase's security team is really legit, so I would trust Coinbase the most. I've read some articles about their security team, but in general, because it's an anonymous network where money is being sent from one ID to another anonymously, it's a lot more hackable than a bank, which everything is tied to your individual social security number, and there are a lot more security precautions that need to happen. So that's pretty much all the general information you need to know on how to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. I hope you guys found this valuable. If you like content on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, technology, entrepreneurship, definitely subscribe to my channel for more. And let's see, if you're looking to learn to code, definitely check out the course that I have below. It teaches you how to build a personal website in JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. If you want some free stocks from Robinhood, you can use my referral link below as well. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My handle is the same as it is on YouTube, IngridZip. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace!